What's the meaning of ative? Ative. Ative.
Ative. Ative. The suffix ative is a morpheme added to the end of a word to form an adjective that describes something as having a tendency or quality of the root word. For example, talkative describes someone who has a tendency to talk a lot. Similarly, creative describes someone who has the quality of being imaginative and able to produce original ideas. The addition of ative can change the meaning of the root word from a noun to an adjective. Overall, ative adds a descriptive quality to the root word in order to convey a particular trait or characteristic.